What's up, guys? It is John. Today, this is a review of the ARZOPA Portable Monitor. Super excited about this. I have a MacBook Pro and I love working remote and in other places, but sometimes I miss having my second screen. So I'm going to show you exactly what this comes with. So we're going to open this right here real quick. So right away here, you have your instruction booklet, you got a card here, and then this is the actual monitor. So it's 15 inches. It has this nice little case, so you could fold this up so you could display it. And this is what the screen looks like. And don't worry, I'm gonna show this hooked up to a computer in a second. And then you have here your ports. You got HDMI, the USB-Cs over there. And then you have over here, as you could see, how you could adjust the brightness and all that kind of stuff. Super thin, really nice, well made. Love that it comes in this case. And then you also get the 3 different cables. It's really nice that they put the cables in here. As you can see, you have an HDMI over here. This is USB-C, and this is the USB. So I've been using the USB and the USB-C for my Mac. So let me show you what this looks like set up. All right, so I have it connected. All I had to do is plug in the USB-C right over here, and then it automatically displays. You don't have to charge this or anything like that. As soon as you plug it in the computer, it loads up, which is one of my favorite features. And then if I just wanted this window right over here, if I wanted to move this over here, you just drag it over there, and it's there. I love the size of this as well. Just really, really great made. I really love how easy it is to set up. There's no issues or anything like that I've encountered. Just a really great product. Makes me much more productive being able to go back and forth for screens. If you were looking for a second screen for your device, could not recommend this one enough.